We are telling our story from Star Hell. Our names are Jimmy, Jackie, and Jenny. We are triplets, but we were separated at birth. The three of us went our different ways when we became main sequence stars, and we reunited in Star Hell. We all became main sequence stars after we were nebulas and protostars.
Let us explain our lives, Nathan.
One day, as we were floating around in space, we decided to take a break and stop at the dairy bar for an ice cream. After Jimmy got his ice cream, his chocolate chip ice cream, he turned around really fast and ran to Jenny. The ice cream got all over her. Jackie was right behind Jenny, and she happened to have some napkins. After we all got our ice cream, we sat down or stood up and had a nice conversation.
Yo, what's up, my brothers?
Hey, do you remember those times when we had our layers? Man, we were all looking so fine.
Yeah, my core was so hot. It was the hottest and densest part of my body. It was like, what, 10 million degrees Kelvin?
Oh yeah, the energy of my radiation was bounded for an average of 170,000 years. The pressure from my core balanced the pressure from the above layers so the particles didn't move.
Well, my convection zone had energy moving with motion of plasma and was like 1 million degrees Kelvin.
But I have to say, our photospheres, they're pretty cool. They're about 6,000 degrees Kelvin.
I hated the sunspots. They're off my grill. The sunspots were the disruptions in the magnetic fields.
Yeah, and the solar flares, which were those violent explosions that send subatomic particles into space, I hated those.
My chromosphere was the atmosphere of the sun. It was hotter than the photosphere. It was 6 to 20,000 degrees Kelvin.
My last layer was the corona. It was my crown. It was 1 million degrees Kelvin. It extended several kilometers. It was visible during the solar eclipse.
I was 0.7 times the mass of the sun.
Yeah, well, I was 2.5 times the mass of the sun.
I was the biggest out of you all. I was 7 times the mass of the sun. And I lived for 38 million years.
I lived for 360 million years.
I lived for 23 billion years. And I remained a main sequence star for 21 billion years, so I lived way longer than all of you.
I remained a main sequence star for 37 million years.
I remained a main sequence star for 362 million years.
We all started out as nebulas. A nebula is a cloud of rotating gas and dust that collapses under gravity. Nebula is the birthplace of all stars.
Then fusion occurred. Fusion is a nuclear reaction, a process by which 4 hydrogen atoms form to make 2 deuterium atoms, and 2 deuterium atoms form to make 1 helium atom plus energy, creating a star.
That's when we became those little baby stars. What were they called again?
Oh yeah, protostars.
Oh yeah!
Yeah, and then our fusion and gravity balanced us, and we became a main sequence star. That's when we split.
Yeah, I became a sun-like star because I was 0.7 times the mass of the sun. Then I became a red giant because I lost all my hydrogen, I shed my layers, and then I was a planetary nebula. A planetary nebula is a cloud of rotating gas that orbits dying stars. My inner core stayed hot, and I turned into a white dwarf.
Hey, isn't that the smallest and faintest of all stars?
Yes, it is.
And then I died.
After I was a main sequence star, I lost my hydrogen and became a red supergiant. Iron formed in the center of me, and I became a supernova.
Wait, hold up. What's a supernova?
A supernova is an explosion that happens when iron fuses in the core of the star. After that, I became a neutron star, and that was my death.
When I became a main sequence star, I lost all my hydrogen and became a red supergiant. And then I became a supernova and died becoming a black hole.
Wow, we had some pretty lame lives, guys.
Yeah. After they were done talking, they went back to their regular lives.
All right, peace.
Later. Bye-bye.